Hello. Here we'll take a closer glance at a technique Joshua Cascio used to concuss his opponent. Joshua's roundhouse is deflected off guard, and instead of recovering off the kick, Joshua attempts to follow through the momentum with a spinning back fist. It misses. Luckily though, his opponent's follow-up was only against chest. If the person feels the timing, a window like this could be exploited for the worst. In this instance, Joshua knows his opponent will react to his telegraphed roundhouse, so instead of seeking to connect with it, he instead uses it to create distance, then use that window of reaction to follow up with another strike, a turning side kick. It was a little off, but it does stun his opponent off of him. Here, Joshua's opponent did not catch on to what he was doing. He was looking to counter the same way after each initial strike, with exception to this turning sidekick. Watch, he gauges with his lead and then he loads up his backhand looking to exploit the window. Unfortunately, because he could not read into the pattern of behavior, Joshua got a good feel for his own timing using this technique. In, crashes an intercepting back fist. Boom. With this, we can assume that there were two things Joshua could feel. He could feel his opponent would move out of the way, and he could feel his opponent would look to counter. Miyamoto Musashi. You win battles by knowing the enemy's timing and by using a timing which the enemy does not expect. When understood, you can see this philosophy applied broadly regardless of technique. If you like more from me, please subscribe. That's definitely great for the channel. Smash the like button if you enjoyed. It's good karma. And until next time, peace.